Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best left-handed bow is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of equipment for any left-handed archer looking to hit the bullseye with precision and comfort, offering a unique ergonomic design tailored specifically for those who shoot from the left side, ensuring a natural and stable platform that can significantly improve accuracy and reduce fatigue during extended practice sessions or competitive events. Number 5. Samick Sage Takedown Recurve Bow. Introducing the Samick Sage Takedown Recurve Bow, a versatile bow designed for archers of all levels. Whether you're a teen or an adult, a beginner or advanced, this bow is perfect for both hunting and target practice. Customize your shooting experience with a draw weight between 25 and 60 pounds. This allows you to personalize the bow's performance to match your strength and skill level. This bow comes as a complete archery set, including an assembly manual, arrow rest, and bow limbs. The limbs are interchangeable, offering flexibility for your setup. Crafted with an ergonomic grip from lightweight maple wood, it ensures a comfortable hold. This design helps prevent hand fatigue during extended use. It features pre-installed brass bushings, ready for various attachments. You can easily add accessories like stabilizers, sights, or quivers to enhance your archery experience. This bow is designed for right-handed shooters, allowing you to hold the bow with your left hand and draw the string with your right. Experience a natural and comfortable draw cycle. What we like. This recurve bow offers interchangeable limbs, allowing for easy upgrades as your skills progress. Its ergonomic maple riser ensures comfort during extended practice sessions. If you are looking for a versatile and comfortable bow that can grow with you, this is an excellent choice for beginners to intermediate archers. What people say. The grip is comfortable and fits well in my hand. The draw weight is adjustable, making it suitable for different skill levels. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even for extended periods. Number 4. Youth Beginner Compound Bow. Discover the exciting world of archery with this beginner-friendly compound bow. It's designed for easy handling and quick learning, making it perfect for young enthusiasts and newcomers to the sport. This bow grows with you. Easily adjust the draw length and weight without needing special tools. It's built to accommodate your progress as you get stronger and more skilled. Experience impressive speed and power in a surprisingly lightweight package. Weighing only 2.5 pounds, it's comfortable to hold and shoot, yet delivers a high-performance experience. Get started right away with a comprehensive package that includes everything from the bow itself to arrows, sights, and protective gear. A soft carry case is also included for convenient transport. Crafted from durable engineering plastic, this bow is built for safety and longevity. Remember to always read the manual and never dry fire to ensure a safe and enjoyable archery experience. Express your style with a choice of vibrant colors, including red, green, blue, black, and pink. Find the perfect look to match your personality. What we like. This compound bow is designed for ease of use, featuring adjustable draw weight and length without needing a bow press. It's incredibly lightweight, making it ideal for younger or beginner archers. If you need a user-friendly compound bow that's easy to adjust and transport, this is a great entry-level option. What people say. The bow is lightweight and easy to handle, making it great for beginners. The draw weight is adjustable, which is a nice feature for growing archers. It comes with a decent sight and arrow rest, so you can start shooting right away. Number 3. Genesis Original Compound Bow and Arrow Kit. This kit provides everything you need to get started in archery. It includes a high-performance bow, arrows, a quiver, and an arm guard for a complete setup. Whether you're right or left-handed, this bow is designed for you. It offers adjustable draw length and weight, ensuring a comfortable and customized fit for archers of all ages and skill levels. Experience optimal performance and reliability with its innovative single-cam design. This means no tuning issues, minimal recoil, and improved accuracy, making it perfect for everyone. Get ready to shoot right out of the box. It comes pre-assembled with durable components like a 6061 T6 aluminum riser and high-strength bowstrings. With adjustable draw length and weight, this bow adapts to your needs. It's engineered for optimal performance, making it suitable for beginners and experienced archers alike. Enjoy a durable and accurate shooting experience thanks to its robust construction and single cam system. It's designed for minimal recoil and maximum precision. What we like. The single cam design on this bow means no complicated tuning is required, making it incredibly user-friendly. It comes as a complete kit, ready for immediate use. If you're a beginner who wants a hassle-free archery experience right out of the box, this is the perfect bow for you. What people say. The bow is well balanced and easy to handle, making it suitable for beginners. The draw weight is adjustable, allowing for a customized shooting experience. It comes with all the necessary accessories, so you can start shooting right away. Number 2. Genesis Gen X Lightweight Compound Bow. Introducing the Genesis Gen X, a lightweight compound bow designed for the serious archer. Experience unparalleled precision and reliability in every shot. Tailor your experience with adjustable draw length and weight, ranging from 21 to 30 inches and 25 to 40 pounds respectively. This allows for a truly personalized archery and hunting setup. Engineered with a powerful draw weight up to 40 pounds, it meets the demands of whitetail hunting in most states. Its professional-grade construction ensures it's ready for any challenge. Featuring a progressive let-off cam, it offers up to 65% let-off. This makes it easier to hold and aim, enhancing your capabilities for hunting and bow fishing. Crafted from a machined aluminum riser and composite limbs, it's built to withstand rigorous use. Despite its durability, it maintains a lightweight profile for easy transport and handling. Available in both right-hand and left-hand configurations, ensuring a comfortable and natural fit for every archer. Select the orientation that best suits your shooting style. What we like. Built for serious archers, this compound bow offers a substantial draw weight suitable for hunting in many areas. The 65% let-off makes it easier to hold steady for accurate shots. If you are an adult archer looking for a durable and powerful bow for hunting or advanced target practice, this model is a strong contender. What people say. The bow is lightweight and easy to handle, making it great for beginners. The draw weight is adjustable, allowing for a customized shooting experience. The included sight and arrow rest make it ready to shoot right out of the box. Number 1. Topbows 58 Takedown Recurve Bow. Introducing the Topbows 58 Takedown Recurve Bow, a versatile choice for archers of all levels. It's designed for both right and left-handed shooters, ensuring a comfortable fit for everyone. Experience superior performance with its bamboo limbs, enhanced by German laminate technology. This construction provides exceptional toughness and power for every shot. Enjoy an incredibly comfortable shooting experience thanks to its ergonomically designed wooden handle. The rounded edges and fine finish make it a pleasure to hold. This bow features a convenient takedown design, allowing you to easily swap limbs. Adjust the draw weight as you progress or share it with others. Perfect for both hunting and target shooting, it's recommended to use real feather arrows for the best experience. Elevate your archery game with this adaptable bow. Your purchase includes everything you need to get started: wood riser, limbs, string, stringer, rest pad, string nocks, and string silencers. What we like. Featuring traditional bamboo limbs with modern fiberglass, this bow offers a great balance of toughness and power. Its takedown design allows for easy transport and limb replacement as your draw weight needs change. If you appreciate traditional archery aesthetics with modern convenience and a comfortable grip, this takedown recurve is an excellent choice for both hunting and target shooting. What people say. This bow is great for beginners, it is lightweight and easy to handle. The draw weight is adjustable, making it suitable for a wide range of users. It comes with a sight and arrow rest, so you can start shooting right away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.